Alright, we're at C-Town, right by the Brooklyn Bridge and the Verizon building. Now what the hell are these machines? Oh, you're kidding. Are you kidding me? HCP. I walk all the way to the project. On Google Street View, there were different machines. There were I don't know what they were. They had like yellowish covers, and now they're T-63s. I'm gonna be waiting here for a while, so that's it. That's not deposited. Oh, it is. Huh. Vitamin water. Did not know that. Alright. Yeah, I didn't think C-Town would sell diet right. Should take this. That's it.
Why are you taking a picture?
I'm doing this at school.
It's
Sad.